Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some new arrivals from Ikea that are all $1 or $2. There's nothing that I'm going to show that's going to be over $2. Ikea is actually a great place to go to find items that are actually $1 or under. I am going to be showing a few items that are $2 just because I think they're really nice, but I would highly recommend picking these up. As I mentioned before, when they have stuff that's this good, it usually tends to sell out really quickly. But I will have everything that I share with you guys in today's video linked in the description box down below for you guys to check out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't done so, and we can just hop right into it. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to share are these organizers because they are 99 cents and I think they're a really great option. You can obviously find storage containers like this at your local Dollar Tree. I will tell you that the Ikea ones just tend to be a little bit better quality and a little bit more sturdy. So I love picking these up. I'm actually really mad at myself because I placed a huge order and I did an in-store pickup and I forgot to put these in my order, so now I have to go back for them. But these are a really great option, especially for like in-drawer organizers. I love just picking up a ton. You can use them for so many different things. They can be great for like pantry organization, really for whatever you're trying to organize. And again, they're really great because they're only 99 cents, so you're not breaking the bank to get the organization in your home done. The next thing are these magazine files, and you actually get a 2-pack for 59 cents. So yes, you get 2 of them for 59 cents. I love these. They're really great for DIYs, and immediately when I saw these, I thought they would be really cute in a kid's bedroom. And you could get like a couple packs of them and then paint them the colors of the rainbow. I just think that that would be super cute for a kid's room, or if you were trying to like organize. I know a lot of kids are still at home doing school at home, so that would be a really great option to just kind of organize their school stuff and make it fun for them. They have the little smiley face detailing on them, and then you can of course add any color that you want to them, or you can keep them white if that is your style. Next thing I recently picked up, and I just had to share this with you guys because I think it is so great. So this is one of the items that is $2. These are actually these saucers that just came out to go with the concrete planters. They've had these concrete planters for a few years now, but they didn't have like a drip tray or a saucer to go underneath the planter. Now, I just picked this up not to use it as a drip tray. I thought that this was a really great concrete tray. I love protecting my furniture and kind of putting something down before I put something on top of the furniture. And this is great because it's $2, it's concrete, but it has an entire foam piece on the bottom, so it will not scratch your furniture. This is gonna be perfect to put a candle on, or you can even use these as like coasters if you wanted to. They're just really great options to have. Again, it's a great saucer for under the planters that they have, but they do come in a few different sizes that are a little bit more expensive. But for $2, I actually think I want to pick up a few more of these because if you're like eating at the dinner table, this is kind of a good option to put like a hot bowl on. For $2, you can do so much stuff with this, so I definitely wanted to include that in this video. And then with that, they did come out with a new planter that is $1.99. So if you're like me and you love planters and you're into collecting plants, which I have been recently, this is a great option because stuff does add up pretty quickly. I realize that I've spent a lot of money on planters and pots, so finding an option like this that is only $1.99 is a great option. I'm happy they added this like more dark gray color to their new collection because it's a really nice break from the typical like concrete colors they've had, and sometimes they do a lot of like bright colors or light pastels, which personally don't really match within my home. So to have one that is affordable and it is more of a neutral color is really awesome. The next thing I talked about in my last video when I was sharing the new arrivals, but I want to share this again because it is a new arrival that falls under the $2 mark. These are $1.49 and I recently went and picked up 6 of them. I honestly might get more just because, as I mentioned to you guys, usually when you find pieces like this, they're a lot more expensive. West Elm and Firm Living have like glassware and stuff in this, and it's really expensive. The collections are like $50 to $70, so this is $1.49. If you're an event planner or a wedding planner, to me these would be amazing to have on tables with like floral arrangements in them, so this is a great option for you guys as well. But just for decor, I thought this was really pretty. I obviously wanted to get one for myself, and I did get 6 because I think that putting a few flowers in this and giving it as a gift is such a great option. So I just kind of wanted to have them on hand for different holidays and birthdays when they come up. This is like a great go-to, and I love to be able to give things to people like florals and stuff like that in vases that they can keep, and I think that this is perfect. It would match within anyone's home, so definitely recommend picking this up. I'm kicking myself because I realized that 6 probably isn't gonna be enough over time. I should have got 10 of them. I probably will go back and get more, I'm not gonna lie, just because they're so great, and you guys know me, I'm clumsy, so in case I break mine, I wanna keep a backup, especially since I plan on giving most of the other ones away. All right, and now moving on, they actually have glassware now that just came out for $1.99 each that matches these. It has the same detailing on them. Amazing, amazing find at Ikea. Do not wait if you are interested in getting these, because I think that they are gonna go really quickly unless there's something that they plan on keeping in their like more permanent collection. I'm not sure what the case with these actually is yet, but like I said, for $1.99 each, when you buy these places at like West Elm and stuff, they're like $10 for each glassware piece. If not more. I know like the Firm Living set that I saw was 70 bucks, and I think you only get 4 pieces. So to get one piece for $1.99 is such a steal. Definitely gonna go ahead and pick up a set of those. I just realized that that's the other thing that I forgot to add to my order. It kind of got a little confusing. I was getting stuff for a future project that we have coming up on the channel, and I was more focused on that, but definitely gonna have to go back to Ikea and pick those up. All right, next are these washing bags. Now you can get a set of 2 for $1.79, or you can get one of them for 99 cents. Obviously, if you go with the 2-pack, it's a better deal, and I would recommend it. If you guys don't own any of these washing bags, they are absolutely essential. These in particular, when I saw them, they're like the perfect size and shape to put a bra in, and you just kind of put stuff like bras or more delicate items that you have bralettes in them. In particular is really great because it will keep the shape of your bra, and it will keep your bra from hitting other things in the washing machine and getting messed up. Again, you can even put like a more delicate shirt in these, which is what I like to do. I would recommend picking those up because over time, you do have to replace those pieces because they don't stay and keep their shape forever, and they do tend to get just like dingy like anything else over time. So those are a great option to have, especially at a really affordable, great price point. All right, next is this mug set. Now the set is actually $3.16, which is a little bit over $2, but it averages out to be 79 cents for each of the mugs, which comes in again cheaper than our local dollar stores that have some good options, but this is again cheaper. So definitely check out Ikea. They have some really great options, especially if you're moving out for the first time. Like, you do not need to spend a lot of money on stuff like dishes. Like, trust me, it's not something that you really need to invest in because over time they do break. But this mug set in particular, I actually love the whole like aesthetic of it. They do come in a few different colors, so if you don't want white and you want something more of a bright color. But for me recently, I've really been getting into like having things in a set to make everything look a little bit more cohesive. It looks so much better when I open up my kitchen cabinets and I just have like a set of 4 mugs that are all the same. It just looks so much better. It looks so much more clean and inviting when everything kind of matches. So again, that's a great way to get a nice matching set for your kitchen without breaking the bank. And again, they do have other options that are $1 and less in that area. I'm just sharing with you guys new arrivals. So if you guys want to see a video of like all of like my tried and true things that I think you should purchase from the entire Ikea collection that are $1 or less, let me know because I can totally do that video. The next item is 29 cents each. So again, a lot cheaper than the local Dollar Tree, but they're just these tea light candle holders, again, with this same beautiful detailing on them. Also, again, I'm gonna say it, if you're an event planner or a wedding planner, perfect option to go just pick up a ton of these because they look so expensive. Very high-end looking item for only 29 cents. I think these would be like super, just like great again to have if you wanted to have like a dinner party or something at your home. You can like put these out on the table and put little tea lights in them, and it kind of looks like you went all out for a dinner when you literally were spending 29 cents on each of those. I just think like this whole little collection that they came out with this detail is like such a great deal because like I said, this isn't the first time we've seen this detailing on stuff, but it tends to be a lot more expensive. So this is a great option to not break the bank. Next, we have these storage boxes which come in at 79 cents each. Again, a cheaper option than your local dollar store. I love these, and I actually love the fact that they're cardboard because you can just fold them up when you're not using them. They're very easy to recycle if you tend to in the future not need them, so they're not like a wasteful organization piece. I think they're awesome, and I love the fact that they are like a cardboard material because you can like paint them, DIY them, paper mache them, whatever you you want if this particular color doesn't match for you. This is also a great thing to get to give a gift in, and it's great because you're not breaking the bank for that, and you are giving them a storage box that they could actually utilize in the future. So that is great. Again, if you're organizing like a whole closet, or you just have like a ton of stuff to organize, these are a great option because they're only 79 cents. You can get that nice organization done, again, with not spending a ton of money on it. All right, so those were all of the items that I wanted to share with you guys for today's video. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.